And I'll be singing, Holy Mother Moses, I just want to buy you roses, open every door that closes, and kiss you from your head to your toes. I like your soul, baby. You got that heart made of gold, baby. I'm gonna love you till I'm old, baby. Just wanna be your baby. I like your soul, I like your soul, I like your soul, I like your soul. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. This is Brice Guitar Lessons. Please hit like and subscribe. This is a super great song that I love, and it came up on my country playlist, so thought I would teach it to you guys. This is how to play Soul by Brice. Super easy song. There's only 3 chords, and they're not like necessarily always in the same order, but I'm going to show you how to play it. I'm going to show you the chords. They're super easy. The strumming is crazy easy. Every Brice song I've learned is like super easy. So, but please hit like and subscribe, and let me know if there's other songs you would like to know in the comments. So the song is in standard tuning, has a capo on the 4th fret. Okay, so if you're a half step down, you could just put it on the 5th fret. So basically, the general strumming, there's 2 ways you can do it. Okay, and I'll show you how to do it for the bridge and everything, where all the stops are. So the main chords you're going to use G, you're going to use E minor, and you're going to use C. Okay, now sometimes they do go in that order. So what you're going to do is, and I use this G, all right, but you can do whatever, because you're basically going to be palm muting. Okay, so what you're doing is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1. Okay, so. Okay, so what I'm doing is you can either just hit the big E, okay, so you're palm muting this, remember. You can either just hit the big E, so you're doing 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 1, okay, so then you go to the A, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then on the 6th, you're going to hit the A string, all right, A, E, A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, E, A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, E, A. Okay, so you're going to do that like for the whole intro, or you could, if that's too hard to play and sing and stuff, you can just strum it as G, just down like that. Okay, your body's got me weak, you're Mozart in the sheets. Make a sinner out of me. Okay, so out of me is where you first switch to E minor. Okay, now if you're playing it like, okay, then then when you go to E minor, you can do the same thing. So you're plucking the open E string, and then you're still plucking the same strings. You're just switching to E minor. Okay. Just like that, okay? And then you'll go to C on I'm in need of priest. Okay. All right. Or you can just do I'm in need of priest. Again. And I'll be singing Holy Mother Moses. Now if you want to do it just strumming to make it a little more fun, you can just do yep. So just like down, 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 down. Okay, so instead of just being, so you're gonna do down, 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 down. Okay, just like that. So the way, if you want to play it like that, you would do it like this. Okay. Your body's got me weak. Let's see. You're Mozart in the sheets. Make a sinner out of me. I'm in need of priest. So on priest is where you do C. Priest. And I'll be singing holy. So holy is where you go back to G, okay? Holy Mother Moses, I just want to buy you roses. Open, so open you go to E minor. Open every door that closes. Kiss you too. Okay, so and kiss, you goes where you go to no lyrics. Oh, sorry, you sing, but you have no strumming or chords there. And and kiss you from your head to your toes is I like your soul. Okay, so what you're gonna do here, then this is where it gets louder. So you're gonna strum it with no picking, but you're still gonna do the same thing. So it's down, 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 down. Okay. You got me singing ho. Let's see. Yeah. So I like your soul, baby. So on soul is where you do G. Soul, baby. You got that heart made of gold, baby. I'm gonna love you till I'm old. So old is E minor. Oh, baby. Just wanna be yours. So on yours, you do C. Yours, baby, I like your soul. And on soul, you're gonna go back to G, all right? You can do soul, I like your soul. I like your soul. I like your soul. Okay, then you're gonna stop for a second, and then you're gonna go to the second verse. All right, second verse is the same as the first one. And the second chorus is the same as the first one. If you want to play it louder, instead of the strumming for the first part, you could just do for the first part of the chorus, just like that. You could do that, okay? So then after the second chorus, you're just going to be doing, so I like your soul, I like your soul, I like your soul, I like your soul, and just so you know. Okay, so no. So on the bridge, you're going to be doing no is going to be E minor. No, baby, I like your soul. So soul is C here. Soul. Okay, so that's how you're going to play that. And then you go through that second post-chorus and everything. And that, at the end of the song, you're just going to do, okay, I like your soul, I like your soul, I like your soul, I like your soul. And that's how you end the song, okay? So super easy song. Please let me know if there's other songs you want to learn. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.